I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me.
What's good, my supreme team? It's your girl Adriana, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is gonna be a glam makeup look. You know, you could go out to the club in it. You could wear your little, you could go out to dinner with Beige. You could go out with your girls for a girls night and be looking cute, slayed down, all the way down, looking like a baddie, looking like who this. But if you guys want to know how I got this look together, stay tuned and you will find out. But first, if you're new or returning and have not already hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button down below. What you waiting on? The supreme team is going to the top and the grind cannot stop. What you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button. Become a part of the team. You feel me? It's like, nah, but let's jump right on into the video. Now, hello guys. Now, you know I'm really looking cute with my natural beauty, but you know, you gotta be going out. Go out, hit the club with your friends, with your boo. So I'm about to show you guys how to go from a bum to glam. Like, wow. So let's jump on into this video. So first, I'm just gonna start off with my eyebrows. Now, y'all already know that once I start with my eyebrows, I do my eyebrows mad crazy. So don't even mind how it comes out when I first get started, because you know I'm about to finesse it right after. By the way, I forgot to mention that the eyebrow stuff that I'm using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow, and y'all already know that's my favorite for my eyebrows because I be finessing. Now, I don't know why I just sat here and flipped my hair acting like I'm cute with these little man-looking eyebrows, but I'm going to take this concealer. I'm about to clean it right on up because I'm looking like who done did it and ran, and that's what I'm not trying to do. I don't know why I thought I was cute doing that in this video, but girl, you better stop. By the way, the concealer that I use is the Tarte Shape Tape, and it's in the shade of Deep. I'm done with my concealer. I'm just gonna go in with my Real Technique Beauty Blender, and I'm just gonna blend away like I never blended before. Hey! After that's done, I'm going to set my eyebrows with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to go in with a square beauty blender so I could get more precise when I am setting my eyebrows. Now I'm just going to take a setting brush and I'm just going to blend out the setting powder that I just placed on my eyebrows, or above my eyebrows, but y'all know what I mean. Now I'm going to begin with my eyeshadow, so I'm just going to place some tape on the corners of my eyes, and the palette that I'm going to be using is the Morphe 302 palette. Is so beautiful. I use this palette literally all the time. Well, not really, low-key, but you know, it's beautiful. I love this palette so much. And I'm just gonna take a little Morphe brush. I don't know what they call these Morphe brushes, but it's made for the eyeshadow and it blends out so well. So I'm just gonna take the first color. It's like kind of like a nudish tan color at first, and then I'm going to move on to transitional colors. my transitional colors and making sure that my eyes are natural and they look natural, I'm just going to go back in with my concealer, and I'm going to take that oval shaped brush and I'm just going to place some concealer on each eye because I'm trying to create like a little glittery effect. So I'm just going to put the concealer on first because it's better for when you place the glittery eyeshadow on, because it makes it pop out more, which is lovely and stunning. See here, I'm just going in with this glittery champagne color. Glitter is really beautiful. It came out really nice, and I'm slaying it. I am slaying it, girl. You better. Oh, you better. Ha! Then after that, I'm just going to go back in with my darker colors that I used for the corner of my eye, just to clean up what the glitter has messed up. And yeah, don't mind my family in the back because they just came in the house, and I know you probably like, who was that in the back of your video, girl? Don't worry, it's just my family. Don't worry, mind your neck. Worry about my makeup now. Next, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Epic Ink eyeliner, and I'm just gonna trace the outline of the tape where the tape ends to create the shape of the cattail, which helps you more if you're a beginner with the eyeliner and don't know how to create cattails. Just a little hint of advice. Now I'm already looking like a whole snack wrap, and I only did my eyes, but you know I'm gonna continue going, even though I look like a whole snack. Oh, work those angles, girl, work those angles. Now I'm gonna just go on with my Fenty Beauty primer that I'm going to put a lot on because my skin gets really dry quickly, and I like to make sure that my skin is very well moisturized, so I'm just putting a lot on my face at this point. Go with my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is in the shade of 420, and oh my god, I love this foundation. This is the best foundation that I have gotten in years, like years, girl. Now I'm just going to go back in with my concealer. I'm just going to conceal my problem areas on my face, which is my under eyes, my nose, my chin, and my forehead. I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty concealer stick, and this is it's a contour stick, and this is in the shade of Mocha, and I'm just gonna put it on the side of my face. Now after all that, I'm just gonna blend away my concealer first, and then I'm gonna blend away my contour. And guys, excuse me if you see me like talking, I was on the phone with my friend and I was listening to music at the same time. Yeah. Now I'm just going to go back in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to set my face at basically everywhere that I didn't do the contour, and then I'm going to set my contour with a different setting powder. Now I'm just going to take my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade of 360 Mocha, and I'm just going to set my contour, and yeah. Now I'm just gonna take this big powder brush and I'm just gonna wipe away all the setting powder, and I did a little dance with it. I'll get it. I'm just gonna go back in and finish with my eyes. So this is the Maybelline Eye Studio, and it's like a gel eyeliner, and I'm just gonna do my under eyes. Sorry, it got a little blurry when I did that. I don't know why, but it just got a little blurry. But I basically just traced, you know, outlined the insides of my eyelids, and yeah, well, not eyelids, but you know what I mean. Then I'm going to take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just going to put it on. And after I put on my mascara, my eyes be popping, girl. Like, you don't even need lashes. It be popping. What you saying? Popping. I know this is my favorite part, which is the highlight. So I'm going to go with my trophy wife from Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to put it on the side of my face. I'm sorry, I'm getting so excited just watching me do it. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead. Oh, she dipping it. Ah, yes, child. Oh, you better. Oh, yes, hunty. Yes. Yes. Next, I'm going to go with my Fenty Beauty highlighter stick, and this is in the shade of Suede. And with this, I'm just going to put it on the bridge of my nose, along with my, I guess you could say, Cupid's bow on my lip. And yeah, I'm just going to blend it out with my finger, because it creates a better effect. I'm just gonna go with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and this literally lasts on my face all day, like all day, and I love it. I need to get some more. I'm gonna go with my Bobbi Brown lip gloss. I don't recall the name of the lip gloss, but all I know is that it's a pink sheerish color, and it looks nice with this makeup look, and I absolutely love it. Alright, you guys, so I had to turn on the light because it was getting pretty dark, and I wanted you guys to see me, but I'm gonna insert a clip of the final look.
On the beat, nigga.
Of this beauty, you know. But I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe down below to my channel if you're new or returning and have not already subscribed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. As always, I love you guys so much, and bye. Mwah.